Have you ever wondered how Microsoft, a leader in the tech industry, got its start? In the mid-70s, two childhood friends, Bill Gates and Paul Allen, shared a vision. They dreamed of a future where every home would have a personal computer. But they knew that to turn this dream into reality, they had to make computers more accessible and user-friendly. In the year 1975, Gates and Allen set out on a journey to make this vision a reality. They founded a company in Albuquerque, New Mexico. A company that would soon become a household name, Microsoft. But what was the spark that lit this fire? At that time, a new microcomputer caught their attention, the Altair 8800. This machine, despite its rudimentary design and limited functionality, represented a significant leap forward in personal computing. Gates and Allen saw in it an opportunity, a chance to bring their dream closer to fruition. They approached MITS, the maker of the Altair 8800, with an offer. They proposed to develop a basic interpreter for the Altair, a type of software that would allow the computer to understand and execute commands in the basic programming language. Working tirelessly in their modest office, Gates and Allen developed this basic interpreter. When it was finally ready, they demonstrated it to MITS. The interpreter worked flawlessly, and MITS agreed to distribute it. This was the first product Microsoft ever sold, marking the beginning of a journey that would transform the tech industry forever. In the years that followed, Microsoft continued to innovate, always striving to make technology more accessible and user-friendly. The company's relentless pursuit of its vision, guided by the leadership of Gates and Allen, would lead it to create products that revolutionize the way we work, play, and communicate. From humble beginnings in a small office in Albuquerque, Microsoft set out on a journey to change the world. Each product, each innovation, each step forward brought them closer to their vision of a computer in every home. And so in a modest office in Albuquerque, New Mexico, the Microsoft story began. 1981, a crucial year for Microsoft as it struck a pivotal deal with IBM. This agreement marked a significant turning point in the history of technology. IBM, a titan in the computing world, was developing a new personal computer and needed an operating system. Enter Microsoft, with its innovative solution, MS-DOS, or Microsoft Disk Operating System. MS-DOS was a game-changer, a command-line-based system that was simple, yet effective, allowing users to manage files and execute programs with ease. Its creation was a testament to Microsoft's innovative spirit and dedication to enhancing the user experience. It also showcased the company's ability to seize opportunities, collaborating with a giant like IBM to bring their vision to life. This collaboration wasn't just about creating an operating system, it was about setting a new standard for IBM-compatible computers. And that's exactly what Microsoft achieved with MS-DOS. It wasn't just an operating system, it was the blueprint for the personal computing revolution. With MS-DOS, Microsoft set the standard for IBM-compatible computers. In 1985, Microsoft changed the game with the launch of Windows 1.0. With that move, the tech giant ushered in a new era, turning the page on the text-based interfaces of the past and embracing a future filled with graphics, icons, and multitasking. This was a bold leap into the unknown, a step taken with the confidence of a company that was ready to redefine what personal computing could be. Windows 1.0 wasn't just an operating system, it was a revolution in how people interacted with their computers. Gone were the days of typing in complicated commands to perform the simplest of tasks. In their place came a truly visual experience, where users could click on icons to start programs, move windows around the screen, and manage files with ease. It was a new intuitive way of computing, one that made the once daunting world of personal computers accessible to a much wider audience. But this was more than just a pretty face. Windows 1 also introduced the concept of multitasking, allowing users to run multiple applications at the same time. This was a game changer, enabling people to switch between tasks quickly and efficiently, increasing productivity and transforming the way they worked. The launch of Windows 1.0 wasn't without its challenges. Critics were quick to point out its limitations, and adoption was slow at first. But Microsoft was undeterred. They knew they had created something special, something that had the potential to change the world. And they were right. Windows 1 was the foundation upon which Microsoft built its empire. Each subsequent version of Windows built on the innovations introduced with Windows 1.0, adding new features, improving performance, and refining the user experience. The release of Windows 1 marked the beginning of Microsoft's dominance in the operating system market, a dominance that continues to this day. Windows 1, a significant leap forward, laid the groundwork for Microsoft's dominance in the operating system market. It was the spark that ignited the tech revolution, setting the stage for the digital world we live in today. With Windows 1, Microsoft didn't just release an operating system, they opened a window to the future. From revolutionizing office work to shaping the early internet landscape, the 90s were a pivotal decade for Microsoft. In 1989, Microsoft released a suite of productivity software known as Microsoft Office. This suite included Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, tools that would fundamentally transform office work. The 90s saw the birth of many technologies that we now take for granted. But before we had the convenience of cloud storage, we had floppy disks. And before we had the likes of Google Docs, we had Microsoft Word. Word processing was revolutionized by the arrival of Microsoft Word, allowing users to create professional documents with ease. Excel, on the other hand, made number crunching and data analysis a breeze, while PowerPoint brought a new dimension to presentations. Together, these tools transformed the way businesses operated, making Microsoft Office a dominant force in the software market. But that's not all. The mid-90s saw another major milestone in Microsoft's history, the release of Windows 95. This operating system was a significant departure from its predecessors, featuring major improvements in user interface, multitasking, and networking capabilities. For the first time, users could enjoy features like the Start menu and Taskbar, innovations that would become staples of future Windows versions. Windows 95 was not just an operating system, it was a gateway to a new digital age. And then, there was the Internet Explorer. Bundled with Windows 95, Internet Explorer was Microsoft's ticket to the browser wars against Netscape Navigator. The bundling of Internet Explorer with Windows 95 was a strategic move by Microsoft, one that would shape the early internet landscape. It marked the beginning of an era where the internet became a part of everyday life. By the mid-90s, Microsoft was not just a software company but a cornerstone of the tech industry. Microsoft Office, Windows 95, and Internet Explorer, these weren't just products, they were catalysts for change, driving the digital revolution forward. And as we'll see in the next chapter, Microsoft's innovative spirit didn't stop there. From gaming consoles to cloud computing, Microsoft continued to expand its horizons, cementing its place as a tech giant. The new millennium saw Microsoft expanding its reach and refining its software. As the calendar flipped into the 21st century, Microsoft was gearing up to release one of their most popular and enduring operating systems to date, Windows XP. Released in October of 2001, Windows XP was a breath of fresh air in the world of operating systems. It was praised for its stability, user-friendly interface, and improved performance. Windows XP stood as a testament to Microsoft's continuous dedication to improving user experience. Its name, XP, short for experience, symbolized this commitment. This new operating system was built on the stable foundation of Windows 2000, but with an entirely new look and feel. It introduced a more streamlined, colorful, and intuitive interface that many of us still remember fondly today. But Microsoft wasn't content to rest on its laurels. In the same year, the tech giant expanded its horizons beyond software and ventured into the gaming console market with the launch of the Xbox. Microsoft's Xbox was a bold move, challenging established players like Sony's PlayStation and Nintendo's GameCube. The Xbox brought something new to the table. It was the first gaming console to feature a built-in hard drive. This allowed for more expansive games and saved players from needing to purchase separate memory cards. It also marked the debut of the now iconic Halo franchise, which became a defining series for the console. With the Xbox, Microsoft was able to carve out a significant niche in the gaming industry, a feat that many thought was impossible given the dominance of Sony and Nintendo. The success of the Xbox laid the groundwork for future consoles like the Xbox 360, Xbox One, and the Xbox Series X and S, solidifying Microsoft's place in the pantheon of gaming. From operating systems to gaming, Microsoft was leaving its mark on every corner of the tech world. In 2006, a change in leadership marked a new era for Microsoft. Bill Gates, the visionary co-founder, decided to step down from his day-to-day role, shifting his focus to philanthropy. This marked a significant turn in the company's history, setting the stage for new leadership and direction. 3 years later, in 2009, Microsoft unveiled Windows 7. This operating system was hailed for its addressal of issues previously seen in Windows Vista. It was lauded for its improved performance, sleek user interface, and enhanced features, quickly becoming one of the most widely used operating systems worldwide. This combination of leadership transition and the release of a highly successful product signaled a period of rejuvenation for Microsoft. The company was not only maintaining its reputation for innovation, but also demonstrating its ability to learn from past challenges. With Gates stepping back and the success of Windows 7, Microsoft was poised for a new chapter. In 2014, Satya Nadella took the helm as CEO, ushering in a renewed focus on cloud computing and services. With a background steeped in technology and business, Nadella was uniquely positioned to navigate Microsoft into the next phase of its evolution. Nadella's tenure marked a significant shift in Microsoft's strategic direction. His vision was to transform the company into a cloud-first, mobile-first enterprise. With his leadership, Microsoft's Azure platform experienced significant growth and became a formidable player in the cloud computing arena. 2 years into Nadella's leadership in 2016, Microsoft made one of its largest acquisitions to date, LinkedIn, the professional networking platform. This move not only expanded Microsoft's presence in the social networking and professional services space, but also presented new opportunities for integrating LinkedIn's extensive professional data set into Microsoft's suite of products and services. Meanwhile, in 2015, Microsoft introduced Windows 10, a game-changer that emphasized a unified operating system across different devices and services. This shift towards a Windows-as-a-service model was a testament to Microsoft's commitment to continuous innovation and adaptability in an ever-evolving technological landscape. In parallel with these strategic shifts in software and services, Microsoft was also making waves in the hardware market. The Surface line of devices, which had been introduced in 2012, continued to evolve under Nadella's watch. These devices, including tablets, laptops, and desktop computers, showcased Microsoft's commitment to innovation in both software and hardware, and positioned the company as a strong contender in the consumer electronics market. Nadella's vision and strategic leadership have been instrumental in Microsoft's continued growth and relevance in the tech industry. His focus on cloud computing, his commitment to innovation, and his ability to adapt to changing market dynamics have all contributed to Microsoft's enduring success. Under Nadella's leadership, Microsoft has continued to innovate and adapt, solidifying its position as a tech industry leader. As we look to the future, it's clear that Microsoft, under Nadella's guidance, will continue to be a force to be reckoned with in the world of technology. In the 2010s, Microsoft emerged as a major force in the cloud computing arena. The company, known for its software prowess, ventured into the realm of cloud computing with Azure. Azure was Microsoft's answer to the growing demand for scalable, flexible, and cost-effective computing power and storage. As businesses began to realize the potential of cloud technology, Microsoft positioned Azure as a robust and reliable platform. The company leveraged its existing relationships with numerous enterprises, offering them a comprehensive suite of services that spanned across various domains, from data management to machine learning, and from the Internet of Things to analytics. In the face of stiff competition from Amazon Web Services or AWS, Azure held its ground. It not only competed but also became a formidable contender in the cloud space. Microsoft's strength in enterprise software and its vast ecosystem allowed Azure to gain significant traction in the market. With its dominance in cloud computing, Microsoft continues to shape the future of technology. From its humble beginnings in 1975 to its current status as a tech industry titan, Microsoft's journey has been nothing short of remarkable. The story of Microsoft is a testament to the power of innovation, the importance of vision, and the impact of sheer determination. Starting as a brainchild of Bill Gates and Paul Allen, the company sprouted from the desire to develop and sell basic interpreters for the Altair 8800. This marked the genesis of a journey that would revolutionize the world of technology. As we moved through the 80s, Microsoft's tale took an exciting turn with a groundbreaking deal with IBM. This partnership led to the creation of MS-DOS, a system that became a standard for IBM-compatible computers. As the company grew, so did its ambition. In the mid-80s, Microsoft introduced the world to a new way of interacting with computers through Windows 1.0, a graphical user interface that forever changed the user experience. This spirit of innovation continued with the release of Microsoft Office in 1989, a suite of productivity software that revolutionized office work and set new standards in the software market. The 90s and early 2000s saw Microsoft further expanding its horizons, venturing into the internet landscape with Internet Explorer and the gaming industry with the Xbox. These bold moves, coupled with the release of enduring operating systems like Windows 95 and Windows XP, cemented Microsoft's place in the tech industry. In the face of changes in leadership and shifts in the industry landscape, Microsoft continued to adapt and innovate. The Satya Nadella era brought a renewed focus on cloud computing and services, leading to significant growth for Microsoft's Azure platform. Today, Microsoft stands as a leader in both software and hardware innovation, with its Windows 10 operating system and Surface hardware line, demonstrating its commitment to delivering cutting-edge technology across different devices and services. As we look to the future, one thing is clear. Microsoft will continue to play a pivotal role in shaping the tech landscape. The company's journey, marked by constant innovation and adaptation, is a testament to its resilience and its commitment to pushing the boundaries of what is possible in the world of technology.